you would like to apply for a job on Upwork, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So this is going to be a simple tutorial. Make sure to follow along. For that, you will be needing an application called Upwork Talent. So launch it and also make sure that you are logged into your specific Upwork account. Once it is so, at this section you will see various jobs. But if you would like to see some more jobs, you may go ahead and search for it. And once done, let's say if you would like to apply for this job, you have to make sure that this is a recent job posting or else you will just wasting your money. You will see this posted yesterday, which means this is very recent. So tap onto it. Now we have to apply for this. Before applying for any jobs, you have to first see their preferred qualification. Activity on this job proposal is 20 to 50, and likewise, you have to have a lot of bits like 20 to 30 if you would like to apply for one job. You have to read all these qualifications and what does this job requires. If you don't think you have the required qualifications in yourself, then it's better to not apply for this job and just waste your bids. But if you have some bids or connects, you have to use it very wisely. If you think you are eligible for this job, then let's go ahead and apply. Tap on this apply now button and you have to first submit your proposal. Let's go ahead and verify ourselves. You can also get paid by milestone or project. You may go ahead and tap any one of them and give it some amount that is 29. And you can see that how much of this payment will be deducted as a service fee by Upwork itself. And this is how much you will get. Even though you have added 29, you will only receive 24.65. And let's go ahead and select a duration. Once done, go ahead, upload your cover letter here and also attach a file. Make sure the file highlights all your qualifications and all the projects that you have done that is also related with this job. And once it is so, simply tap on this submit proposal on your bottom left hand side. And just like so, if this proposal gets accepted, you will get a job. Just like so guys, thank you all for watching.